Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the infinite loading screen. What in Battlefield, so we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify game files integrity. Content. Launch your platform's game launcher, a Origin Steam Box game. Look at Battlefields in your game library. Select the option to repair or verify game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files within the game's installation and automatically replaces them with correct versions from the server. This often resolves issues stemming from incomplete or damaged game data that can cause infinite loading screens. Allow ample time for the process to complete. The duration depends on your internet speed and the size of the game.
Step update graphics drivers. Intent outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a frequent cause of game glitches, including infinite loading screens. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and Intel, and download the latest drivers specifically for your graphics card model. Ensure you select the correct version for your operating system. Windows. After downloading, install the drivers, restart your computer, and then relaunch Battlefield to check if the issue persists.
Step 2. Check for server issues. Content infinite loading screens can sometimes indicate problems on the Battlefield servers. Check the official Battlefield website, social media channels, or online forums for any announcements regarding server outages, maintenance, or known issues. If the servers are experiencing problems, there is nothing you can do but wait for the developers to resolve the issue. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Content high in-game graphics settings can strain your system and contribute to loading problems. Try lowering your graphics settings, particularly those related to resolution, texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings will lessen the processing load on your hardware, potentially eliminating the infinite loading screen. Experiment with different settings combinations to find an optimal balance between visual quality and game stability.
Step 2. Reinstall Battlefield's content. If all previous steps fail to resolve the infinite loading screen, a complete reinstallation of Battlefield may be necessary before uninstalling. Backup your saved game data. If possible, then uninstall the game completely through your platform's game launcher. After uninstalling, restart your computer and reinstall Battlefield. Ensure you have sufficient storage space available for the game's installation.